Welcome to CMN News Broadcast. I am Tabitha Okodua. The headline: EU looks to replace Russian gas with Nigerian's liquefied natural gas. The news. Following the sanctions the European Union placed on Russia because of its military intervention in Ukraine, Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, decided to cut gas supply to the EU countries in retaliation. So the EU finds itself in a serious trouble, not having insufficient gas to combust for their countries and warm their homes this coming winter. Therefore, they are in desperate need to source alternative countries to supply them gas they need for their livelihood. Indeed, the EU official, Mr. Matthew Baldwin, said he was told that the federal government is improving security in the Niger Delta region and planned to reopen the Trans-Niger pipeline after August this year, which would yield more gas exports to Europe. The EU already imports 14% of Nigerian liquefied natural gas, and there's potential to more than double these, Mr. Baldwin told Reuters by phone. We know of the bunkering activities carried out in the Niger Delta, which is a desperate manner Nigerians are forced to apply to enable them have access to the mineral resources of the soil. This struggling is criminalized as theft and vandalism of the nation's pipelines, and the action leaves the gas producer, Nigerian Liquefied Natural Gas Limited Terminal at Bonny Island, operating at 60% capacity. Where the federal government geared the oil and gas to the population's need, there would not be theft and vandalism currently ongoing. Yet the Nigerian government is planning to sell even more gas to Europe. Indeed, Mr. Baldwin stated, if we can get up to beyond 80%, at that point, there might be additional LNG that could be available for spot cargoes to come to Europe. They, Nigerian officials, said, come and talk to us again at the end of August because we think we can deliver real progress on this. This is Mr. Baldwin's conclusion. Nigeria LNG is owned by State Oil Company, NNPC Limited, Shell, Total Energies, and ENI. Last year, Nigeria exported 23 billion cubic meters of gas to the EU, but the figures has been declining over the years. That notwithstanding, in 2018, the European Union bloc bought 36 billion cubic meters of liquefied natural gas from Nigeria, Mr. Baldwin said. Thank you for staying with us. I am Tabitha Okodua.